Hello, this is Carsten Lay from OKRChamp.com. We are an OKR implementation and strategy and goal setting consulting company with over 100 goal setting by OKR implementations worldwide. And we would like to share our knowledge to train your internal OKR champions with our OKR Champion online training and certification for only 99 US dollar. What will your OKR champions learn? They will learn how to train and coach OKRs to your team as a 3 or 6 months agile goal setting methodology. They will learn how to facilitate OKR setting and review workshops to get good, measurable, and inspiring objective and key results for the next 3 to 6 months. They will learn how to facilitate weekly or bi-weekly OKR check-in or tracking meetings so you can translate your work into measurable key results. And they also learn the entire process of cadence of implementing OKRs so you have a smooth implementation and rollout. Please have a look at okrchamp.com with the dedicated link below this video for our OKR Champion course, which was rated very highly on how great it is for OKR implementation and how dedicated it is to get people on speed to facilitate OKRs. If you are new in OKRs, you can try also our OKR practitioner course for under $20 on the same platform. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.